Thank you. Venus.
Yeah.
Please accept my apologies. I'm really sorry. I've been unfriendly to you. I've been obnoxious and mean and all the other not so nice things that I've done to you lately.
Wala yun. Ano ka ba? Naiintindihan kita. Dami mo pinagdadaanan ngayon. But, there is a way para makabawi ka sa akin sa lahat ng kasungitan mo.
Okay, sige, sabihin mo lang.
Well, I've been inviting you to dinner ever since I arrived. Siguro naman, pagbibigyan mo ako ngayon.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, again.
Great.
That's great, yeah.
Dinner tomorrow night?
Yeah, dinner's great. Let's do dinner, yeah. Let's do dinner, yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah.
To dinner.
Okay. Cheers. Dinner.
I'll leave you alone.
Oh, sige.
Drop by your table?
Yeah, okay. Oh, sige.
Thank you.
I'll see you. Dinner.
Dinner.
Thank you. All right. See you dinner.
Hi, Venus.
Hi, Tita.
I guess he's happy now.
Of course he's happy. Nakakulong na yung killer.
All I want for Carlos is his happiness. You'll know that pag may anak ka na, maintindihan mo po. You will do everything for your child.
Well, hindi lang si Carlos ang masaya ngayon. Ako rin. Because we're finally going out on a date.
Oh, really?
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, Tita kapag tinulungan ko siya sa kaso ni Catherine, I'll gain his trust. At ito na yun. See? Nakuha ko rin ang loob niya.
Good for you.
This is it, Tita. Now that he can finally forget about Catherine's case, we can all start a new chapter. At sisiguraduhin ko na nandun ako in every page of Carlos's book. To a new chapter.
To a new chapter.
Yaya Marites! Gutom na gutom ka naman. Talagang kinuha mo na buo. Oo nga po eh. O basta mag-enjoy ka lang dyan, tapos mag-celebrate kayo ng daddy mo, ha? Opo. ano ka, maglagay ka sa table natin, ha?
Mami to! Hala, Mami to, ba't po kayo namumula?
Bakit ang dami mo?
Hala, Mami to, nag-inom din po kayo?
Cheers!
I miss you. Sana makita kita one more day.
Dito nagmumula yung powers ko para makapagpagaling ako.
Okay, 2 bars na po. 4 bars na po, Mami to. Higher pa, higher pa. Ayan, Mami to, 5 bars na. Ayan na. Ayan na, Mami to. Nakaka-receive na tayo ng connection. Galing.
Ano kasama mo?